Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want this, cause I can place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, to Gozi and Wagam Lagalaga, and I'm back with another video. Happy New Year, my love. I think this is my first video this year, depending how I take out these videos. But yeah, guys, I got a couple of products from SHEGLAM. It is my first time trying their stuff. I've tried these items for a while now so that I can do a review, a proper review for you. I did not want to come on camera before, like I tried myself for a couple of times. So let's do it together. I'll tell you how I feel about them on the voiceover. I think if I talk like this video is going to be like an hour long, so you know what, let's do a voiceover. But yeah, these are the couple of products that I got. It's a lot of products. It's about like 30 products that I have from SHEGLAM, guys. It's a lot. Let's go through and let's try it and let's see how we feel about the SHEGLAM products. First things first, I went in with the primer. This is the hydrating primer. It felt fine on my face, but I did not really love it. I'm not a fan of primers. Went in with the foundation. Shein makes it super easy if you don't know the foundation that you're looking for. There is sort of like a camera over there that you can compare which foundation would look good on you. So I went with 2 foundations just to make sure that I've got the correct color for my skin. If there's one thing that we can agree on, is that there is coverage. You guys can see that it has covered my acne scars, and I did not need to use so much foundation. I just used 1 layer and that was it. Went in with the contour stick. It did not have so much pigment for me. I felt like it was lighter, so I needed to double it in order for me to find sort of like the perfect shade that I usually go for. Then I went in with this concealer. When I say I was doubting this concealer, you guys, but it had so much coverage. I literally just swiped once and that was it. The coverage of this concealer, I love it so much, and it feels super smooth on the skin. It's not disturbing at all. I love that SHEGLAM is giving us good products, but also at an affordable price point. So I also went in with my blush. This one, it did not really cover, or it did not cover for the coverage that I usually go for. So I needed to go in with my liquid blush that I usually go with. So I felt like it was not covering too much. So you'll see over here I'm using my other blush, not the SHEGLAM one, and you'll see what I mean. If you're wondering, all the brushes that I'm using over here as well are also from Shein and also SHEGLAM as well, so you can also find it on the Shein app. They were also super affordable. I think they were about 150, 200, somewhere there. Also went in with this lovely powder, you guys. When I say you need to get this powder, you need this powder. I have never used a powder that I feel like sets properly, and also after using it, your skin looks super like filtered. You look like you've airbrushed. Like, this is the perfect powder or setting powder. I love it so much because it has the side of a powder and also the side of the setting powder. So if you're going out, you can literally carry this and use the powder side. It's literally the same thing, and they make it easy for you. Went in with this brow pencil. I love that it has 2 sides so that you can decide whichever side that you want to use, and also you don't need to sharpen this all the time like the normal pencils. So this one is always ready for you, and I love that it's super strong. Like, it's not like light. It looks like it is light, but it can draw and do literally anything that you want to do. You can also control this pencil super well because it's super small and you know exactly what you're doing with it. So this pencil is definitely one of the products I love as well. If you're wondering about the product and the product codes of what I'm using, I will leave it in my description box. Everything and every single little detail will be in my description box. I also got this palette over here, you guys. It's super pigmented as well. I loved it. However, though, when I was doing my eyeshadow, I felt like I should have sort of like blended it a bit. I'm not sure if I was not looking at it properly, but I felt like I should have blended it. Let me know what you think about this. So the first color that I used was my transition color, which is the brown. The second one is the white, and the third one that I'm using now is the beige, just to give the white a natural feel and also to blend with my makeup as well. Then I went in with my transition color to sort of like blend it in together. Blend. I feel like I did not blend properly over here. And this is how it looked at the end. I love these SHEGLAM products. They are super pigmented. It's something that you can use on a daily basis and it would last you. One thing I was surprised about though is this liner. You guys, I used it like once or twice and it couldn't write, but I went in with the liner that I was talking about for the brow, the two-sided. So I went in with that one. This one is the brown one and it works super well and I love it. I'm not usually a person that draws like the wing, but with this one I was like, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna see how it goes, and I love it as well. It's a great product. Another winner for me is definitely this brow gel. I usually use like my hair gel, but this one also works perfectly. Other people use it like at the beginning of their makeup or with their brows, but I use it at the end when I feel like I'm done with my makeup and nothing will disturb it. I also went in with my beige eyeshadow again just to tie in the look together and look proper. Another product that I love is this mascara. So it has the big side and also the small side for both sides of your lashes. It's really a great product. The lashes are also from Shein. It comes in different sizes, small sizes, big sizes, and bold sizes as well. Now I'm doing my lip, you guys. I couldn't find my bigger sort of like lip liner, and I also went in with my pink lipstick from Revlon, and I went in with my gloss as well to sort of like tie the look together. I think this is such a lovely combo ombre color. I love it. It was actually, I think, my first time doing pink lips, but I think I loved it. It's something that I'm gonna do more often. You guys, this is how my face looked before I put in the setting spray. I just wanted to show you before I put in the setting spray and also change the wig. I love the makeup. It's super nice and also clean. It's not doing too much and also at an affordable price. Who does not love to look good and nice at an affordable price? Definitely Shein and SHEGLAM is definitely doing the things. I've already incorporated most of these products on my day-to-day makeup products. I love them so much and I feel like they are a lifesaver. So this is how I looked after I changed the wig. Yeah guys, you comment, you let me know, what do you think about the makeup? Do you like it? Do you not like it? But for me, it is great products at a great price point. Also, you guys, the brushes that I used over here, I bought it like a year if not 2 years ago. So if there is no code over there, just know maybe they discontinued it, but I'll try looking for it. This is it, you guys. Love you loads. Thank you for tuning in. If you reach this point, you're definitely a star, my darling. See you in my next upload. Please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Love you loads. Bye.
Oh, that's like my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want